Hey everyone, I've got an urgent update for you, so listen up. The FBI and CISA have just issued a warning about a nasty piece of ransomware called Medusa that's targeting Gmail, Outlook, and VPN users. This isn't just another cyber threat. Medusa has been around since June 2021 and has already hit over 300 victims across sectors like medical, education, technology, and more. Now here's how it works. Medusa uses a double extortion tactic. That means it not only encrypts your data but also threatens to release it publicly if you don't pay up. The attackers are getting in through phishing campaigns and exploiting unpatched software. They use some pretty sophisticated techniques: base-64 encrypted PowerShell commands, mimikatz for stealing credentials, and legitimate remote access tools like AnyDesk and ConnectWise. They even use SecSec and RDP to spread through networks and terminate over 200 Windows services and processes, including your security software. So what can you do to protect yourself? The FBI has some solid advice. First, enable two-factor authentication on all your services, especially webmail and VPNs. Use long, strong passwords and avoid changing them frequently unless they've been compromised. Back up your data in multiple secure locations. Keep your operating system, software, and firmware updated. Monitor your network for any unusual activity and block traffic from unknown origins. Audit your admin accounts and follow the least privilege principle. And finally, disable unnecessary features like command line access, scripting, and unused ports. However, some experts think the FBI missed a crucial point: security awareness training. Social engineering is involved in 70 to 90% of successful attacks, so knowing how to spot phishing attempts can make a huge difference. And here's something even scarier. AI-driven attacks are on the rise. These attacks are becoming more sophisticated and harder to detect. Recently, Symantec demonstrated an AI agent that could perform a full phishing attack almost autonomously. It hunted emails, crafted scripts, and wrote lures with minimal human input. Experts like Dick O'Brien from Symantec and Jay Stevenkowski from SlashNext warn that AI tools can easily be weaponized, bypassing ethical constraints. Andrew Bolster from Black Duck and Guy Feinberg from Oasis Security also highlight the risks of AI agents being socially engineered like humans. So, what's the bottom line? Enable two-factor authentication, follow the FBI security practices, and stay informed about evolving threats. And most importantly, be aware and educate yourself about these dangers. That's it for now. Stay safe and secure. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.